Looking elsewhere around the Midwest at 6 p.m. Chicago was cloudy and 81. Indianapolis was cloudy and 73. St. Louis was mostly sunny and 93. Kansas City was partly sunny and 89. Des Moines was mostly sunny and 89. Milwaukee was mostly sunny and 69.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Stark County until 7:15 p.m. At 6:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Tualatin, or 7 miles south of Kewanee, moving northeast at 15 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tualatin, Osceola, Bradford, Elmira, and Lafayette.